Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a muffin. Let's start off by drawing a slightly flat, round shape for the top of the muffin. Next, draw two short lines underneath that taper inwards like so. Then, connect the two lines with a wide curve for the bottom of the muffin. To add some texture, draw some straight lines on the wrapper that slide parallel to one side and slowly become parallel to the other side. Then, you can make your muffin your favorite flavor. I like chocolate muffins best, so I'm gonna draw a bunch of squarish dots on the muffins with the chocolate chips. I'll also draw a few on the edges like so to make them look like they're on the other side of the muffin. Lastly, add some dots here and there for a breadier texture. You don't need to add them everywhere, just a few groups are enough to get the idea across. And now you've got a muffin!